Hey guys, welcome to another Peter's Gaming World and Vlogs video. Okay, that was a wild card. Today we're back at vlogging in some car meets. So, I'm not gonna say more. Let's get right into that car meet. Look, first of all, look at this awesome C8. Look at that. Oh, here we go. This thing's nice. Got another C8 over here. It's got a Corvette, another C8. Look at that Monte Carlo. That thing's really nice. Let's see. Look at that Nova over there. Look at this old Mustang. There's so much cool cars. Oh, wait, there's a Corvette behind it. Let's go see. So, oh, it's a 67 Mustang. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this Corvette. Wow. This thing is nice. Sorry about the music, guys. But this Corvette is super nice. Wow. Wow, look at that engine. Let's go check out that Nova SS over there. Sorry if I'm sounding a little weird, guys. I had a scratchy throat for a second.
It's like too many Corvettes for me.
Let's see. Got a nice Nova SS. Wow, that thing is nice. Look at that thing. That thing is super nice.
We will get one of those at some point, though. It's gonna not after that last test they did. Everything's
a really nice map black.
Oh yeah, when you did the thing, we were like,
let's see. Oh, look at that. It's an SRT8. Oh, look at this classic. What does it say? Yeah, this is a Nova. Oh, this is nice. Wow. That's a nice color combination. The teal with the white on the inside. Wow, that's nice. Really nice. Wow. Wow, I'm stepping in grass right now. Oh, check out this Charger. So $392. Wow, this is a nice scat pack. Let's see. Don't like this Mustang. Oh, look at this Nova SS. Check out that engine. This thing is super nice. Wow. Oh, look at that interior. Wow. That is insanely nice. Wow. It's very nice. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, check that out. So, oh, this is an old Corvette? Or a Nova, I guess. Oh, that threw me off because I thought I saw the Corvette symbol on it, but this is really nice. This is super nice. Super nice. Wow. This thing is so cool. Guys, you want to check out that 108 over there? but I'm gonna take you guys there. Beanbag going over there. Man, you guys would love to be here, but the only thing you guys wouldn't like about here is the smell. I smell something very bad. Got another Nova SS over there. Got a McLaren. But check this 1LE out. Look at this. Hold on, let's take you guys to the front. Look at this McLaren. That's a nice 600 LT. Check out this 1LE. Dang, this is nice. Wow. Check out the engine. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can. Yeah, you can. But look at that engine. Alright. I'm going to travel on this way. Front of the McLaren 600 LT. Got nice C8. Oh! Good old Cobra. Cobra. This is a nice Cobra. This is a very nice Cobra. Wow, this is very nice. Got a pretty cool Corvette over here. As always, check out the engine. Oh wait, no, this is, Ford GT. Crap. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I meant to say Ford GT. Wow. Look, now those are Corvettes. Look at these things. Wow. So nice. Look at that engine. Wow. Look at this classic Vette. This is a really nice classic Vette. Got another Vette. Got a C8. Nice. Another Vette. Mustang. Boss. Pink Vette. Don't like the color. Oh, this is a nice Grand Sport. This is super nice. Okay, got a nice Z06. Got a really nice old Corvette. Another really nice old Corvette. Yeah. Oh wait, let's check out the engine.
You know who has this gun?
Oh, that's nice engine. Oh wow, that's another nice engine. Okay, got another classic Vette. Got a Hellcat over there. Another C8.
I know it's rough.
Nice got a nice Mero. A nice Vette. Oh, it's a nice old Vette. What? Oh, this is not a 1LE. What is it? Nice. It's a nice Camaro though. So I'm pretty sure it's not. Oh, it is a 1LE. Huh? That's not how the other 1LE that we saw looked. Okay, I think I'm just losing my mind. This isn't how it's a 1LE apparently. I don't remember these things looking like that. That's the only thing. Oh, look at this Z06. Oh wow. That's really nice. Alright, let's see what else. Yeah, let's go to the other side now. Nice 1LE. Alright guys, I'll see you when we get. Alright guys, we are at the other side. Got a beautiful Lincoln. This is really nice. This is a Continental. This is really nice. Got a pretty nice interior. Let's see what else. Have a really nice front. But yeah, guys, that's about it for today. Whoa. Oh, sorry. We're recording? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, just kidding. So, one thing, after I finished the video, we still hanged out at the car meet for a little bit, and I got to sit in a Ferrari, a Rolls Royce, and a Maserati. So, really quickly, I'm just gonna pull up those pictures so that you can see. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, actually, see you guys in the next video and subscribe. Subscribe!